Let's look at what an algebraic expression is and pick out some definitions from it. An algebraic expression. So I'm just going to give us an example of one. Let's say I have 2x minus 3y plus z plus 4. So this is considered an algebraic expression because it has variables in it, letters and numbers that represent some sort of calculation if we knew what the x, y, and z were. So first definition out of this, variable. What are the variables? Okay, the variables are the unknown numbers. So in our example, x, y, and z all represent some numbers that I'm not sure what it is at this point. At this point, they can vary. That's where the word variables comes from. Vary. It can change at this point. X could be anything. Y could be anything. Z could be anything. The coefficients. This is going to be an important vocabulary word. Coefficients. These are the numbers in front of the variable multiplied by the variable. So that 2x, that means 2 times x. Okay, so the number 2 is the coefficient of 2x. The coefficient of y is 3. Or you can think of it like negative 3. Kind of like we just talked about. You can change any minuses to plus negatives. Now z, the coefficient of z is 1. If there's nothing there, a lot of times we're going to imagine a 1 there. Because if we think about that, 1 times z, that's still just z. It doesn't change what the number would be, the value would be. Putting a 1 there isn't going to change it. So sometimes that'll be helpful to think about the coefficient being 1. Now that 4, we haven't touched that 4 yet. That has a special name. It's the constant term. Constant term is 4. So that 4 at the end is constant because it has no variable attached to it. It always is going to be a plus 4. It never changes. And then how many terms we have are the terms. The terms are the variable and the coefficient together. So in this example, 2x is a term, 3y is a term, z is a term, and 4 is a term. So there are 4 terms.